Welcome, COVID fighters. This is the COVID Fighter app CTS tutorial. To get started as a CTS, please click on the volunteer website and follow the instructions on how to sign up and submit your application to become a COVID fighter, CTS. Once you have completed all of the steps on the volunteer website, please review the COVID fighter user guide for the CTS. Now today, we're going to walk through signing you up as a CTS. After doing the volunteer website, feel free to start joining the COVID Fighter app. Under register and click put your email and your password twice. You have now registered on the app, but you are a person from the internet that has not been verified yet. So go ahead and agree to your terms and condition and put in your demographic information. On the COVID-19 sections, please specify that you have not been tested and you do not have symptoms. If you specifically wish to participate only as a CTS, you do not have to fill in any of this information. Just indicate you don't have. Now it's going to create a user account for you. The first thing in this user profile that it's going to ask you to is to verify your cell phone. So go ahead and put in your cell phone number, send the verification code. I received it here on my phone. Okay. Now, we at this point are registering you as a CTS. So put in a little more about your demographic, like your address, but do not fill in any of this PCFE information or this COVID-19 questionnaire, as it does not relate to you. What is important for you as a CTS to indicate is that you wish to become a contact tracer. So please click here that yes, you wish to join the effort to stop the spread of COVID-19 by becoming a contact tracer specialist. You must now wait for an administrator to review that you have done everything necessary, and once they see that you have registered and have submitted that yes, you do wish to be a COVID fighter on the app, that account on the app will be upgraded to a CTS. And there you go. This account has now been upgraded as a CTS, and this person can now start submitting new users to be created. Now, please refer to your COVID Fighter user guide. And we're going to be talking about specifically Section 7, Part D, CTS getting a PUI onto the app. Now there's two ways that a user can be added to the app. They could either go online themselves and register themselves, just like you did, Or what we are instructing the CTS to do is to create users, send them verification emails, and have them automatically assigned to them. If a user registers online randomly on their own, they will not automatically be assigned to you. Again, if a PUI for some reason gets onto the app before, they will be directed to the most available CTS at the moment based on that time. Now, today we're going to be specifically talking about part B. This is what we're instructing the CTS to do, and it is on this page, the CTS dashboard. On the top right corner, there's a user plus button. This button would allow you to create a new user on this app and send them a verification email so they can log into the app themselves and start reporting as a patient. You will receive a list from Larkin Health of what PUIs to contact, and you will have their information already pre-call, pre-questionnaire, pre-interview. So please make sure that you have in preparation the information from the PUI and you've introduced yourself to them and confirmed that they do want to participate in the COVID Fighter app. Once you have confirmed that they do want to participate on the COVID Fighter app, please assist them by sending them a verification email. You will do so by first confirming their email, and then please confirm their name and last name, date of birth. This information is not mandatory, but what is the contact number. You must put a contact number. So please confirm with that information with them as well. And now this email, when you hit the save button, that email will receive now a confirmation email letting them know that they have been signed up on COVID Fighter app. And when they click on that email, it would ask them to reset their password. Before your interview is complete with a PUI, please try to obtain as much information on this screen as possible, like what is their address, their PCP, and please go through their COVID-19 questionnaire and make sure that all these fields are green. After you have done so, you may indicate that this PUI is no longer in this interview process, but now you put that their contacts are going to be contacted. So any contacts that they put here, once you have completed that interview, make sure you put the PUI in this section, and now their people will start showing up. Thank you.